You can shop for all sorts of cool stuff on Craigslist. A blender, a Thomas the Train lunchbox, a giant oil painting of Shaq. But unlike a normal store, you have no idea when something is going to be in stock on Craigslist. Hundreds of new posts are added every minute, and that great deal could come up at any time. Autographed picture of Christopher Lloyd. Search. No. What about now? What about now? What about now? It can be pretty frustrating, but fortunately, Craigslist offers a little-known feature to help you with your search. You can subscribe to an RSS feed for a specific search result. Here's what you do. Perform your search. Let's say you're looking for a 2001 Honda Accord in San Francisco. At the bottom of the page, you click the RSS link. Then you add it to a program like Google Reader. Now, every time something new is added to Craigslist that matches that description, you'll get a notification. eBay's saved searches work about the same way. You type in what you're looking for, and whenever something matching that description pops up on eBay, you'll get an email. For rare items, especially ones you're not in a hurry to buy, this can save you a ton of time searching. So, that vintage clock you've always had your eye on, those expensive shoes you could probably only afford used, set the search now, and you'll be the first to know when they're in stock online.